Here at GT Paper and Packaging Ltd, we understand how crucial good packaging is for businesses just like yours. That's why we've been proudly serving the Stoke-on-Trent area since 1978, helping you keep your products secure and protected with a range of products designed to meet your business or individual needs. If you're looking for polythene bags, corrugated paper or large quantities of pallet wrap, we can help. Our extensive selection includes cushioning materials such as bubble wrap and cardboard boxes, available in every shape and size you can think of, not forgetting essentials such as craft paper, stretch wrap and postal bags. If you're looking for specialised tapes or other items to keep your packing secure and your operations running smoothly, our packing specialists are on hand with recommendations and advice. Our commitment to quality and reliability has meant that we've had the pleasure of working with businesses just like yours for the last 40 years. And to make working with us even more convenient, we offer free delivery for customers within a 25-mile radius. At GT Paper and Packaging Ltd, we believe that we offer more than just packaging products. We take the time to understand your business needs and are proud to support you on the road to success. If you want to learn more about our perfect packing solutions, then get in touch with us today.